Hey everyone, it's Funmi here again. Welcome to another tutorial. Today I'm going to quickly show you how to make buttermilk substitute the right way. I see a lot of people do it the other way around, so today I'm here to just quickly show you how to make buttermilk substitute. So in my cup I have 1 cup of water and I'm going to add in 3 tablespoons of full cream milk powder, and I'm going to mix that up together, and then I'm going to now take out 1 tablespoon of your full cream milk, and then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Please use fresh lemon juice in place of vinegar. Lemon juice is stronger than vinegar, which is what we're aiming for. We need that strong acidity in our buttermilk. So when you add your lemon juice, it's going to curdle, and then you're just going to allow this sit for about 2 to 3 minutes and your buttermilk is ready. Stir it and use in your recipes, in your cakes and your cookies, and thank me later. So I hope you'll be trying this recipe, and do watch out for the taste in your baked goods and see the difference, so you'll notice the difference with using this particular recipe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.